To morph, you need to know what you are morphing into and how long you want it to take to morph into it. You also need to know who is morphing and then get the list of all the points in both line renderers. Once that's done, you will need to add filler points to whichever line has less. The way I handle this is to space out the extra amount of points in between the original ones. Now that you have two lines of the same amount of positions, we just lerp between them. The way I do this is by calculating the line progress percentage as a number between 0 and 1. Then, for every position, I calculate the point between the starting value and the finishing value using vector3lerp, which internally I would assume calculates a distance from point A to point B and adds a percentage of this distance to point A relative to the progress given. You made it to the end, thank you. Don't forget that you can like and subscribe.